Okay, make it go again. Harder, harder. There you go. Roland gets the first drips of the day. Yay. All right. And Giovanni's catching up over there. Push it like so, like this. No, no, hold it up. The sides, there you go. Sides, there you go. Now it's going.
Wow, that's cool.
Push it. Force that thing. Better from the bottom. Hit it hard on the bottom. On the bottom.
Oh, there it goes.
Yep, so we're using the brush like we're dancing it, and we're creating kind of a measles look on the red rocks here. Yeah, nice. Nice. Now maybe. Oh, they're very pretty. Yeah, make a bigger puddle there.
I'm out of pink.
Oh, gotta add more paint.
What's with this too?
Yeah, sure, if you want that color to drip.
I do.
Yeah, I do too. It'll be very, very pretty.
I only added a couple.
Thank you, Mother Earth. Oh, okay. You gotta kind of angle it.
Yeah, there you go. You'll
That's what I
figure it
got
out.
too.
Yeah.
I really like it.
I like mine too.
Oh. Hi.
Hello.
Giovanni Ferranti.
All right, go for it, Giovanni.
Where do I sign?
Down here. And leave some space for your date. And the date, 06/21.
Exciting.
Okay, time for Roland to sign.